Today we're taking a detailed look at the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Facelift, Skoda's refreshed all-electric SUV that promises more style, better tech, and an even smoother driving experience. From the first glance, you can immediately notice how Skoda has sharpened the exterior design. The front grille is now more aggressive with the illuminated crystal face option standing out, giving it a premium and futuristic feel. Slimmer LED headlights flow beautifully into the wider grille, and the bumper design has been tweaked to look sportier and more dynamic. Around the back, you'll notice the updated LED tail lights with animated indicators, and a slightly reshaped rear bumper that enhances the car's solid, confident stance. Stepping inside, the changes are equally impressive. The interior of the 2025 Enyaq Facelift feels even more upmarket than before. Skoda has used higher quality materials throughout, with new upholstery options like sustainable leather alternatives and eco-friendly fabrics. The dashboard layout remains clean and modern, but the biggest highlight is the updated 13-inch infotainment touchscreen, running Skoda's latest software. It's faster, smoother, and far more intuitive, with improved navigation and wireless smartphone integration. In front of the driver, there's a crisp digital instrument cluster along with an optional augmented reality head-up display that projects navigation and driving information right onto the windshield. Practicality has always been an Enyaq strong point, and that continues here, with generous space for both front and rear passengers, and a massive boot that easily handles family adventures or daily errands. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Enyaq Facelift offers several powertrain options. You can choose between the rear-wheel drive models like the Enyaq 60 and 85, or opt for the all-wheel drive Enyaq 85X or the sporty VRS model. Power outputs have been slightly boosted, with the new Enyaq 85 producing around 286 horsepower, allowing for quicker acceleration and a more responsive driving experience. The VRS version, which remains the performance flagship, pushes up to 340 horsepower and offers a 0 to 100 km/h sprint time of just about 5.5 seconds, making it genuinely exciting to drive. Skoda has also worked on the chassis tuning, giving the car a more composed ride and better handling while maintaining comfort, which is key for daily use. Range has been improved as well, with the larger 82 kWh battery pack providing up to 570 km on the WLTP cycle, depending on the version. Fast charging capabilities are excellent, allowing a 10 to 80% charge in under 30 minutes with a suitable DC charger. As for pricing, Skoda has kept things competitive. In Europe, the 2025 Enyaq Facelift starts around €48,000 for the base 60 model, while the 85 and 85X versions are priced closer to €53,000 and €57,000 respectively. The sporty VRS variant tops the range at around €63,000. Considering the upgrades in tech, range, performance, and luxury, these prices make the Enyaq a strong contender against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, Ford Mustang Mach-E, and Hyundai Ioniq 5. Overall, the 2025 Skoda Enyaq Facelift is a smartly updated electric SUV that blends style, practicality, and value brilliantly, making it a fantastic option for anyone looking to step into the future of driving.